Smashdrums. This better work. Hands. Come on, Smashdrums. Agreed. Smash. Wait for Delora. With the exclamation mark, supposed to hit hard. Hit the drums when they hit right. Center the little white circle that shows up. Every little bit you're off, you lose points. Tell how hard you hit them. If you hit the drums too light or too hard, you lose points. Don't hit like if one's not an exclamation mark and you hit it too hard, you lose points. You can't just smash them all. You really have to make an effort to control how hard you hit them. Look at the crowd. They're into it. What's that? Couple. Look at me, killed it. Awesome, I got awesome. Top 18%. I'll take that. Back to the